winter has been a marathon for us.
Oh, yeah. Man, it really has. Take a look at the snow fall totals so far this season. Boston had a 1/10 of an inch yesterday. And Worcester had, I think it was a 1/2 inch yesterday, so that brings the seasonal total to Worcester just about 90 inches. And in Boston, it's 58.6, way ahead of the average that we would get for both cities. So it's been a snowy winter, although it didn't seem like it in February when it was so warm. In fact, the warmest February on record. It's a very bizarre winter, to say the least. And we're still hanging on with that, with this cold weather this morning, with these temperatures around 30 in Boston. We got 23 up there in Nashua, and we got, as we check out the whole North American continent, we can see much of the country's on the cold side. It is pretty warm down in New Orleans this morning and down in Orlando, where it's in the 60s there this morning to start off. But up here in Canada, same old story. How do these people stand it? It's just so much cold weather, way, way, way below zero again up there. And some of that cold air is going to start to head down toward the United States. Not sub-zero, but colder weather coming into the northern plain states eventually. For us, it's going to be cold enough, and we will be in the cold corner of the country, be in the upper 30s along the coast today. It'll be in the low to as high as middle 40s as you get deeper inland away from that sea breeze. It's a spring-like sea breeze, which keeps it cold. The water temperature is right around 39 or 40 degrees. And there we find the cold weather in the northeast. It is kind of chilly. There's a little cold air starting to leak down into Minneapolis again. But here's that 80 in Little Rock today, and the 61 will be having a shot at going into the upper 50s later this week. We'll see that in just a little bit. But high pressure now to the north of us. And when it's to the north of us, the wind comes in from the ocean, and that's going to keep the coastline cool. Here's a developing storm right in there. That's going to be basically going out to sea. So all we have is plenty of sunshine. There's still some leftover cloudiness on the Cape. A lot of that is breaking up right now, so it looks like we'll see a lot of sunshine as we go through today, and we'll have a clear sky tonight. Moonlit conditions coming up as we have a full moon at the end of the week. And then for tomorrow, it looks like the high cloudiness will start showing up during the day. So there's a developing storm. It's developing here. We'll stay well out at sea, becoming rather powerful, generating some big waves out there. And we have a few big breakers coming on our coastline here by midweek or so. But here's the numbers. Looking a little bit better as we go through time. It gets a little cloudier again after we have a couple of sunny days here. A couple of showers on Wednesday, maybe a shower or two on Thursday. And maybe a couple of showers on Good Friday, Passover beginning on Friday in the evening. And then it looks like some rain on Saturday for Easter Sunday. Looks like we may have some sunshine back in 55, Chris.
All right, sounds good, Barry. Thank you very much.